Hello everybody, welcome to the lesson 4 for your video notes. Today we're going to be working on place value and expanded notation. Let's get started. It says draw and label a place value chart. Represent the number 37,026. So we're going to draw our place value chart to the millions. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, hundred thousands, and millions. And our number is 37,026. Okay, so we have 6 ones, 2 tens, 0 hundreds, 7 thousands, and 3 10,000s. Okay, write the number in word form. That would be 37,000, 26. There's our word form. And now expanded notation. So the thing to know about expanded notation is you're taking the digit and you're multiplying it by the place value. So our first digit is 3. So we're doing parentheses, 3 times, and what's my place value? 10,000. Okay, then we're going to add, what's our next digit? 7. 7 times, what's my place value? 1,000. Okay, add. Do we have any hundreds? No, so we can leave that one off. Do we have any tens? Yes, we have 2 tens. So 2 times place value is 10 plus, how many ones do we have? 6. 6 times place value is 1, so we're multiplying by 1. And there's how you do expanded notation. You just take the digit and you multiply it by the place value. Let's go down here. Okay, so our word form is 4,130. How would we write that? We have 4,130. Okay, go ahead and try to do the expanded notation by yourself. Okay, so we take our digit, 4, and we multiply it by the place value. That's in the thousands. Then we add our next digit, 1, times its place value, which is the hundreds place. Add our next digit times its place value, which is the tens place. And then finally, we have no ones, so we don't need to do that one. Okay, let's go down here. We have 7 times 10,000 plus 8 times 100 plus 1 times 10 plus 4 times 1. So how are we going to write that number? 7 times 10,000, okay? Do we have any thousands? No, so we're just going to put a 0. Do we have any hundreds? Yes, we're going to put an 8. Do we have any tens? Yes, we're going to put a 1. And finally, do we have any ones? Yes, we're going to put a 4. So this number is 70,814. Let's write that in words. 70,814. Good. Go ahead and pause this video and try to figure out this next one by yourself. So we have 89,906. Okay, so 89,000, comma. Do we have any hundreds? Yes, we have 900. Do we have any tens? No. Do we have any ones? Yes, 6. So 89,906. How would we do this in expanded notation? What's our first digit? 8. So we have 8 times, what's the place value? 10,000. Plus, what's our next digit? 9 times, what's the place value? Thousands. plus, what's our next digit? Another 9. The place value is hundreds. Plus, our next digit is 6 times the place value, which is ones. So we have 8 times 10,000 plus 9 times 1,000 plus 9 times 100 plus 6 times 1. Good job. Let's look at the next one. It's 309,017. Let's write it in word form. 309,017. Remember that your word form is just exactly how you would say the number. So let's do our expanded notation. Our first digit is a 3. Let's look at this one because it's not in the place value 10,000s anymore. What place value is it in? 100,000. Good. Okay, so we have 3 times 100,000 plus, what's our next digit? 9 times, what place value is it in? 1,000 plus, our next digit is a 1 times 10 plus 7 times 1. Good, so we have 3 times 100,000 plus 9 times 1,000 plus 1 times 10 plus 7 times 1 for 309,017. Go ahead and pause the video and try to do this next one by yourself. So we have 2,740,065. So let's write that out. We have 2,740,065. Okay, let's do our expanded notation. What's my first digit? 2. So we have 2 times 1 billion. Make sure you get enough zeros. These are the hundreds, the thousands, the millions, and the billions. Plus, our next digit is 7 times 100,000 plus 4 times 10,000 plus 6 times 10 plus 5 times 1. For 2 times 1 billion plus 7 times 100,000 plus 4 times 10,000 plus 6 times 10 plus 5 times 1 for 2,740,065. That is the end of the lesson 4 video. I'll see you tomorrow for lesson 5.